No one knows for sure how many projects were undertaken in the history of mankind, but certainly you hear the word project very often. Several times you're not quite sure the work you are doing is a project or not. While we can't give you the exact number of historical projects, however, we can at least help you to understand what the project is. Whether you are a student, a fresh graduate, or a working professional, before you begin your project management journey, you must have wondered about the concept of the project. So, what is a project? Well, in simple terms, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to achieve a particular aim in a certain duration and budget. Every project has a start and finish date with something to deliver under a certain cost. The project always produces a unique output, and it doesn't continue forever. It ends when the objectives are met. In short, projects are temporary, time-bound, and unique. It is actually a coordinated set of responses to fulfill a unique need. Usually, there is a preferred sequence of execution for the project's activities. Projects are those activities that cannot go on indefinitely and must have a defined purpose. Sound quite simple and generic, right? Actually, it is. Project is a very common phenomenon of our day-to-day life, but we hardly even notice it. Every day, we dream, plan, take action and achieve many tasks. Well, these are key characteristics of any project. And we have been doing for ages. Remember, our ancestors, how they invented the wheel. This is how did Noah build the ark to save mankind. Do you know the Wright brothers' invention of flying the machine was a product of the project? This is how Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, and now Elon is planning to send us to Mars. Completing a project in your personal life may not be that difficult. However, doing the same thing for a project at your office may get a little bit complex. Professional projects demand serious efforts and resources to successfully complete a project. These projects require a unique set of people, processes, and tools to achieve their goals. These projects are time-bounded with the purpose to create a unique product in a given time frame. And, always there's a specific budget allocated for the project to complete the work associated with it. That is why all companies strive to do projects at the minimum possible cost and increase their profit margins. The fundamental purpose of most projects is to either make money or save money. However, in the modern economy, a significant percentage of the project ends up losing money or even failure of the business. So, whenever you are confused about any work you are doing, whether it is a project or not, ask these 3 simple questions to yourself. If this work is temporary? Does this work have a definite start and end? Will it lead to unique output? If you come up with answers to all 3 questions as yes, then definitely you are working on a project. And remember, your life is a project too. It has a definite start and end, and you are the project manager of your life. Make sure you achieve all your objectives. And, now you know what is a project and how to identify it. If you'd like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.